Hey everyone, this is Annie from the Kawartha Art Gallery. On this very first episode of Projects for Kids 11 to 13, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon volcano. This project will use the interesting effects that chemistry has on our environment to create a colorful explosion of sorts. So, you will need 2 lemons per volcano, baking soda, food coloring or watercolors if you want to use those instead, popsicle sticks for smushing the lemon around, dish soap, which will help the reaction last a lot longer, a cup to put your lemon juice in that we'll be using later, spoons for scooping out the lemon juice as well as the baking soda, and a knife and a cutting board for cutting the lemons, but that should be done by an adult and not you. So for step 1, please get an adult to do this, guys, because even though I don't know any of you, I am still mildly concerned for your well-being. So adults, please prepare the lemon by slicing a bit off the bottom just to make them sit flat, and then flip the lemon over and slice out the core. And if you want to make an open-faced volcano, then just cut the lemon in half instead of slicing out the core. And for demonstration purposes, as well as me just wanting to blow things up for fun, I will be showing you guys both types. So we're going to be preparing some extra lemon juice by slicing a second lemon in half and juicing it into the cup, and then set it aside. And we can also throw out this empty lemon now. And if you have any cuts or scrapes on your hands, don't juice the lemon because that's gonna hurt. Now for step 3, place your cored lemon on the newspaper or the plastic bag like I have it, and just get your popsicle stick and just start going at it, you know, just really go for it. And also remember to keep all of the juices inside the lemon because that's our entire goal here, so don't dump it out. And now it's time to add food coloring, which I just love food coloring. It's just so fun to drop it into the things. And also add it into the center of the lemon, just so the explosion will look a little bit better. And do not stir yet, or else it won't show color individually. Now we're going to want to add some dish soap, and if you don't have dish soap, technically you don't need it, but it makes the whole thing cooler, which you'll see later. Okay, so now for the fun part, add a spoonful of baking soda into the lemons. And it should be fizzing now, as you can see. And once again, just grab your popsicle stick and start going at it, once again. See, as you can see, there's a lot of foam. And also, with the reaction on the right, I used yellow and green food coloring, which you can see the colors didn't really come out too well. It mainly just looks like green, right? And the one on the left is a bit better. You can see a bit of green and a bit of pink, so I recommend getting contrasting colors. And optional, you can add more baking soda, more lemon juice like I just did, more food coloring, more dish soap in order to keep the reaction going. And I just squeezed the lemon there just to get a bit more foam out. And on top of this, you could just stick your whole hand in there if you want, I guess. And also, as you can see, a second small reaction is happening because of what I just added again. So here, I just wanted to show a comparison. The one on the left, I didn't add any dish soap, and the one on the right is the one you just saw. So as you can see, the one on the left looks more fizzy, I guess, and the one on the right is very soapy, and it tends to flow a lot more than the one on the left. So this is why I said to add dish soap. But if you like the effect on the left, then you don't have to. Now that we're done the experiment, let's ask ourselves, why does this happen? So let's say we have some baking soda, and our lemons contain something called citric acid, which, when combined with our baking soda, causes a chemical reaction that leaves us with some released carbon dioxide, which you probably know as the air you breathe. But did you also know that's what makes pop so fizzy? That's right, so that's why our lemons also fizz up. So with just a bit of chemistry, we've created our own colorful lemon volcanoes. Hey, thanks for watching! This is just one episode of a series of 5, so go watch the other ones as well. Kids and parents, if you did this experiment, then take a quick picture of it, email it to this address, along with the child's name, age, and the title of the video you're watching, and we will post it to the Kawartha Art Gallery website and social media so that you can see your own projects featured online.